Hi friends, I am SIDDIQI and you are watching my YouTube channel and Facebook page. In connection with Books Speak, a belated review of Kulliyat-e Majid Amjad, Majid Amjad's Legacy, a Rediscovery Through Kulliyat-e Majid Amjad. A brilliant work of Dr. Iftikhar Shafi is here. This book was published last year by Book Corner Jhelum. In the quiet corridors of Urdu literature, Majid Amjad stands as a poet whose brilliance was overlooked in his own time but has grown increasingly radiant in the decades since his passing. His poetry, once scattered across journals and forgotten manuscripts, has now been brought together in a groundbreaking edition, Kulliyat-e Majid Amjad, edited by Dr. Iftikhar Shafi, a collection that redefines how readers engage with one of Urdu's most introspective voices, a unique voice beyond movements. Unlike many of his contemporaries, Amjad resisted the gravitational pull of popular literary movements. He was neither swept up by the progressive writers' movement nor the traditional romantic trends that defined his era. Instead, he crafted a distinctive path, fusing philosophical reflection with innovative poetic techniques that defied convention. His verses evoke a sense of solitude and quiet intensity, as if written from the periphery of a world too busy to notice. The long road to recognition. The belated recognition of Majid Amjad's genius owes much to scholars like Dr. Khawaja Muhammad Zakaria, who first championed his work, bringing collections like Shab-e Rafta Kebad to light and setting the stage for serious academic engagement. These efforts gradually carved out space for Amjad's poetry in Urdu literary curricula, ensuring that new generations encounter his work. A modern milestone, Dr. Iftikhar Shafi's edition, yet it is Dr. Iftikhar Shafi's Kulliyat-e Majid Amjad that offers the most complete and accessible presentation of Amjad's oeuvre. This volume is not simply a gathering of poems, but a carefully curated journey through a poet's mind, one that combines biographical insights, thoughtful organization, and invaluable contextual material. Divided into 3 sections, Nazms, Ghazals, and a collection of miscellaneous works. This edition allows readers to witness the evolution of Amjad's thought and style. Chronological sequencing of the Nazms and Ghazals reveals the progression of his poetic voice, while the inclusion of lesser-known pieces like his Seras adds intimacy and cultural texture to his portrait. Attention to detail, a new standard. One of the edition's most significant contributions is its precise textual scholarship. By comparing scattered and often inconsistent versions of Amjad's work, Dr. Shafi resolves long-standing ambiguities about wordings, titles, and the poet's intended meanings. His addition of detailed annotations provides clarity where confusion once reigned. Another remarkable feature is the glossary included at the end of the book, which unpacks the rare words, unique phrases, and inventive language Amjad often employed, an essential tool for readers unfamiliar with his idiosyncratic diction. Preserving the mature, excluding the raw, in a bold editorial choice, Dr. Shafi has chosen not to include Amjad's earliest, less polished pieces. This decision ensures the collection highlights only his mature and representative poetry, maintaining a consistent standard of quality and offering readers a more cohesive literary experience. A lasting encounter. Kulliyat-e Majid Amjad is more than an archive. It is an invitation to rediscover a poet whose work challenges, comforts, and inspires. By carefully arranging his poems, situating them within the story of his life, and equipping readers with the tools to fully appreciate his linguistic innovations, this edition creates a vibrant encounter with Amjad's singular voice. Through this comprehensive and thoughtfully assembled collection, Dr. Iftikhar Shafi has given Urdu literature a gift, the means to hear, perhaps for the first time, the full resonance of Majid Amjad's poetic echoes.